Can you elaborate on that drop in net profit and margins quarter on quarter and year on year?
Sure. I think what's important is that we look at the business as a standalone business. As you know, Metro Brands has a couple of subsidiaries, one of them being Fila, and the recent Fila acquisition we did. So we know that Fila for this coming year is going to be dilutive to our earnings. I think so. To understand the health of the business, it's important to look at it solely from a standalone perspective. And in that standalone perspective, our sales were up 15%, and we had a 15% profit, and our profits were up. Our PAT was up 7%. So, while it looks like on a consolidated basis, the PAT came down, on a standalone basis, Metro continued to increase their profits for the quarter. And I think that's important, especially last quarter, because it was a tough quarter. We had a couple of timing headwinds, Tamanna. It's not economic headwinds, but timing headwinds. So the three things we had going against us was, one, we were going against pent-up demand from last year. Last year people were just coming out of COVID and they were celebrating with shopping, right, so to speak. The second thing is, we had a lot of festivals that are delayed by about 2.5 to 3 weeks this year, pushing them into the third quarter when they were pretty active in the second quarter last year, right? So that's another headwind that we had to overcome. And then the wedding season, we've seen the wedding season date shift into Q3 as well. There's 32 lakh weddings supposed to be scheduled between late November to early December. All those three things were headwinds to our business in Q2. And despite that, we not only had a sales increase, but we also had a profit increase. So it's very encouraging for us to see that kind of performance rigor that Metro Brands has through it all.